A Minneapolis company promoting de-escalation services is losing business over a lawsuit brought by the state. We were first to tell you about Men in Black last spring when the company was being considered for a contract with the city of Brooklyn Park. That was never approved. Now the state board that oversees licensing is suing Men in Black, claiming they're working without a license. Ben Henry spoke to a business who did have a contract with the company until tonight.
Kevin, Community Medical Services told me they did not know about the lawsuit or that Men in Black was working without a license. Not long after we recorded this video of Men in Black security outside of the clinic in North Minneapolis, they told me they ended the contract. And now, because of this lawsuit, state officials say those in charge of Men in Black security could face jail time. It's clear from page 1, reading, "You are being sued." The state board in charge of licensing security companies filed a lawsuit against Men in Black Security LLC, an unlicensed security company the board has been investigating for years.
One of the things that slowed our lawyer down is every time we thought we had the case ready to be filed, if it needed to be, we'd get more evidence that they continue to perform security functions.
Chair Richard Hodgson says Men in Black applied for a security license in 2021, but was denied due to the owner's past conviction for illegally possessing a pistol. But Hodgson says despite the lack of a license, they continued to work. The lawsuit showing images of advertising on the vehicles this year, employees in tactical attire, and Men in Black personnel, the lawsuit says, appear to be armed.
The practice of being a security officer in the state of Minnesota without a license is a crime. It's a gross misdemeanor.
We're Men in Black Security.
We first told you about the unlicensed company in March, as they made a pitch to Brooklyn Park to handle the city's violence interruption work.
And we are not security.
They were chosen to get the $650,000 deal, but it was never signed. The police chief citing the ongoing state investigation.
They claim they are now de-escalation specialists, but through what you've been able to gather, the board still feels they're providing security work.
What does a de-escalation specialist do? Police officers in the state of Minnesota now, by definition, because of legislative enactments, have to have de-escalation training. But that doesn't mean they're not police officers.
The lawsuit even pointing to our coverage, writing, KSTP published an article reporting the company was offering various security services on its website despite not being licensed with the board.
It's a matter of consumer protection.
Hodgson says if they don't stop, a judge will step in, and those in charge could see jail time.
You want to make sure that the people that you hire to guard your property, your possessions, your family, yourself, your loved ones, are properly trained, have been properly vetted, properly credentialed, that they themselves are not criminals.
We reached out to Men in Black Security multiple times tonight, but have not heard back. The lawsuit was filed on December 4th. And again, this video was taken just tonight. And after I called the clinic Men in Black was contracted by here, they told me they ended that deal tonight. Kevin.
Hey, there's going to be more to this story. Thank you, Ben.